Top 7 CNC Machine for Tower Manufacturing Industries. 1. CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. This machine is used to precisely cut thick metal sheets that are used in tower fabrication. It provides accurate and clean cuts, making it ideal for creating intricate shapes and designs. 2. CNC Drilling Machine. Tower structures require precise holes. For assembling various components, CNC drilling machines automate the drilling process, ensuring accurate hole placement and consistent results. 3. A CNC Bending Machine. Tower manufacturing often involves bending metal sheets and angles to create specific shapes. CNC bending machines can bend metal with great precision, allowing for complex and accurate bending operations. 5. CNC Lathe Machine. Lathe machines are used to create cylindrical and rounded components for tower structures, such as connecting rods and bolt assemblies. CNC lathe machines automate the turning process, resulting in accurate and consistent cylindrical shapes. Short 6. CNC Milling Machine. Tower manufacturers use CNC milling machines to create complex and precise parts, such as gears, shafts, and connectors. It can perform various operations like drilling, cutting, and shaping on different types of materials. 7. Angle line machines typically have multiple stations, including punching, notching, and shearing stations. They are used to accurately and efficiently punch holes, notches, and cut angles in the steel profiles, which are commonly used in tower structures. Thank you for watching.